Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with Pressure Cleaning School and DougRuckerStore.com, coming to you today with a couple of tips on how you can clean delicate areas and how to protect plants and property using an adjustable cone nozzle and an adjustable wand. Coming up next.
Okay, everybody, when we're cleaning around delicate areas, paver patio like this, we've got a lot of plants around the border. We use what's called an adjustable cone nozzle. This kind of takes your dedicated pump, your soft wash pump, and turns it back into a pump up sprayer so that you can, apply your bleach mix to large areas, but keep it controlled. So here you see we're spraying this area, and we're actually spraying too much solution on this on purpose. But if you notice, we're not splashing it onto the plants. We're controlling it, just getting it onto the surface. Does a really good job of controlling. You actually want to just put a light coat down, kind of like what's in the top of your screen there. This is using too much. We're flooding it too much on purpose to show you that what you really want it to look like was what was up there in the top of the picture. But this adjustable cone nozzle runs about $15 at DougRuckerStore.com. Good idea to have a couple of these on hand. They just work great for delicate areas, areas around a lot of plants where you want to control it. Then we follow up the cleaning with what's called an adjustable wand. It has a little pistol grip where we can go from low pressure to high pressure. Originally made for downstreaming. We never use it for downstreaming. We just use it to control our pressure when we're cleaning surfaces like this, trimming out driveways, cleaning brick, things of that nature. Just need a little bit of low pressure, a little bit of encouragement is what I like to call it. So both of these items you can get at the Doug Rucker store, adjustable cone nozzle, and then the adjustable wand. So this is what it looks like when it's going down low pressure. Then you turn the grip back up to high pressure. That is the adjustable wand. So two tools that I think every truck should have. Definitely will help save you a lot of damage to surfaces and plants. Hey, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell so you get notifications. Please ask a question, leave a comment if you'd like, and let us know if we can help you in any way. Hope this video has helped you, and hope y'all have an awesome, awesome day.
Hey guys, another thing I just want to remind you, don't forget we carry a lot of great products, hoses. Basically everything I use in my business is what I sell. So if I use it, I sell it. If I don't use it, I don't sell it. But one of the things I wanted to talk to you about, again, protecting property, is this cleaner that we sell called Wrap. This is the green cleaner right here. It's all natural. There's nothing in it that's, gonna hurt plants or anything like that, strip paint, anything like that. But one of the great things you can also use on paver patios is you can use this, just downstream it or use direct application. This will help lift that mildew up, and then you can lightly go over it with the wand if you wanted to. The adjustable wand, you would of course have to, not if you want to. But that will also help you. You can just mix it like 10 to 1, 15 to 1 and downstream it on there, then lightly go over it. A great cleaning product that will help, again, protect your property, protect your plants. Just an awesome product. We use it for cleaning gutters, cleaning the black stripes off of gutters, removing oxidation. We can even use it in our house wash and our roof cleaning mix as the surfactant if we wanted to. We use the King's Clean most of the time because it has a scent in it, but Wrap, you can use it for that too. So you could just have one cleaning product for a lot of different things. It's excellent at removing dirt daubers as well. So that's called the Wrap, DougRuckerStore.com. Just wanted to bring that to your attention for areas that you might be a little leery about using too strong of a bleach mix. Use this Wrap. It's not gonna oxidize or brighten up a surface like bleach would, but a lot of times we use that and then follow after we've cleaned it with a light solution of bleach just to get that light, that brightening effect. So hope that helps you guys. Again, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification. That way you know when we come on with advice for you. So hope you guys have an awesome day.